Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. This question I asked Professor Kotovsky. I asked him that where is the difference of philosophy between your communist philosophy and our Krishna consciousness philosophy. You have to accept one cheap man, that Lenin or Stalin, and we have also selected one cheap man or God, Krishna. So you are following the dictates of Lenin or Stalin or Molotov or this or that. We are following the philosophy or the instruction of Krishna. So on principle, where is the difference? There is no difference. So the professor could not answer that. You cannot conduct your daily affairs without being dictated by somebody else. That is to be accepted. So, that is the law of nature. So, Nitya Nityanam Cetanas Cetananam, why don't you accept this supreme authority, this subordinate authority? We have to accept somebody as our leader. It is not possible that we can live without leadership. That is not possible. Is there any party, is there any school, or is there any institution that they are conducting without any chief leader or director? Can you show me any instance throughout the whole world? Is there any instance? No. Just like from our camp, somebody has left, but he has accepted Gaurasundar or Siddhaswarup Maharaj as chief. The principle is there, that you have to accept one chief. But intelligence is that what kind of leadership we shall accept. That is knowledge. We have to accept the servitorship or underhand, to become underhand of some person. So the intelligence is that whom we have to accept. That there lies the intelligence. What kind of leader we shall accept. So our principle is that Krishna should be accepted as the leader. Because Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Matta Paratanang Nannat Kinchijasti Dhananjaya. Krishna is the supreme leader. Eko Nitya Nityanam Cetanas Cetananam Eko Jo Bahunam Vidadati. Leader means he must, just like father. Father is the leader of the family. And why father is the leader? Because he earns, he maintains the children, wife, servant, and establishment. Therefore, naturally, he is accepted, the leader of the family. Similarly, you accept the President Nixon as the leader of your country because in dangerous time he gives direction, in peace time he gives direction. He is always busy, how to make you happy, how to make you without any care, anxiety. This is duty of the president. Otherwise, why you select one president? Any man can live without any president. But no, it is required. So similarly, the Veda says, Nitya Nityanam Cetanas Cetananam. There are two sets of living entities. One, both of them are Nitya. Nitya means eternal. And Cetana means living entity. So Nitya Nityanam Cetanas Cetananam. This is the description of God. The God is also a living entity like you and me. He is also a living entity. Just like you see Krishna. What is the difference between Krishna? He has got two hands, you have got two hands. He has got one head, you have got one head. He has got two legs, you have got two legs. You can also keep some cows and play with them, Krishna also. But the difference is there. What is the difference? Eko jo bahunam vidadhati kama. That one Krishna, although he is similar in so many ways with you, similarity. But one difference is that He is maintaining every one of us. And we are being maintained. He is a leader. If Krishna does not supply you foodstuff, you cannot have any foodstuff. If Krishna does not supply you petrol, then you cannot drive your car. See, eko bahunam ja vidudhatka. Whatever necessities of life we have got, we require so many things. That is supplied by eko, that one living entity. That is the difference. We cannot maintain even a small family. Our capacity is so limited. At the present moment especially, in this age, a man does not like to marry because he is unable to maintain even a family, wife and children. He cannot maintain. Even a family consists of 4 or 5 living entities.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.